In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Gaana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code, how to make sure the discount is actually applied, and what to check if it doesn't work right away. Start by opening your browser and going straight to Gaana.com, redeem coupon. This is the dedicated page for coupons, so it saves you time hunting around the site. Once you're there, log into your Gaana account first. Being signed in ensures the coupon is tied to the correct profile and that the system can validate your eligibility. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one you want the subscription on. After you're logged in, enter your coupon code in the field provided. Type it exactly as you received it, paying attention to any letters and numbers. When you apply the code, look for a clear change in the subscription price. This is important. The discount should show up before you proceed to pay. If you don't see the price adjust, don't continue yet. If the code isn't working, here are the most common reasons. First, the code might be expired, so check its validity period. Second, some coupons are one-time use only, meaning they can only be redeemed once per code or once per account. Third, not all plans are eligible for every coupon. If your code is meant for a specific plan or duration, switch to that plan on the same page and try again. And finally, region restrictions can apply. Certain codes only work in select countries or regions, so make sure you're redeeming from a supported location. When the discounted price appears correctly, you're ready to confirm payment. Review the final amount carefully so you know the discount has been applied. Then continue through the checkout flow. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your payment with the reduced price in place. Keep an eye on the total one last time before you authorize the payment, just to be sure the savings are locked in. Once your payment goes through successfully, you're all set. Your Gaana Plus subscription will activate shortly after the transaction is completed. You should notice premium features becoming available, such as ad-free listening and other benefits tied to your plan. That's the entire process. Visit the redeem page, log in, apply your code, verify the price drops, and then complete your payment with the discount applied. If the price doesn't change, revisit the checks we covered and try again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your discounted Gaana Plus experience.